Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Danny of Malika's Creation, and today we're going to be making some basket concepts out of these wire baskets. So the first one we're going to do is going to be a girl's basket, and the next is going to be, well, like a teenage girl's basket. And the second one we're going to do is going to be a men's basket. But before we jump into that making of the baskets, could you please do me a favor? If you haven't already subscribed, would you hit that subscribe button? I would love to have you here. And if you're returning, I want to thank you for coming back. I really appreciate you. Now let's jump right on into this content of creating these baskets. So in the teenage girls baskets, we're going to be adding these earrings. We're going to be adding this keychain that I got from Hobby Lobby on sale, on markdown for 39 cents. I'm trying a regular $2.79. We're going to be adding these cute little daisy socks that I got from Dollar Tree. We're going to be adding this Skittle lip gloss that I got from Dollar Tree. And this is a oldie. Like when Dollar Tree first was started, I got this when Dollar Tree first came to my some years ago. I've been having this, like, I ought to do an old Dollar Tree haul from stuff when Dollar Tree first opened here. Ooh, about my kids were really young, so I'll say about 13 years ago. I ought to do a haul with all the old stuff I still got. But back then, it was the Jot brand. I don't know what they call it, Dollar Tree brand today in pens and stuff, but this was back then, and it's called the Jot brand. And it's ice cream, and so I got this journal that lights up also from Walmart on markdown for $1. And I'm not going to pull the thing out so it's not going to light up, but you pull that little thing out and it lights up. So we're going to make a basket with this. And let's go ahead and get, oh, this is the wire basket. I just added an embellishment of a flower pot and a hello on there. I don't know, because I thought it was cute, and that's what I wanted on the basket. So let's jump right on into making this basket. We're going to place the journal back there with the backer in hopes that it stand up and be, you know, all right. So we're going to put the journal back there like that. And on the side of the journal, we're just going ahead and stick the pen right there so they can see that it's kind of got a little ice cream thing going on. I don't want to use a lot of tape and stuff, but I might have to use a glue dot on the, we'll put it right here on this wire part and see if we can make it stick like that. All right, that worked. So that's it so far. Then my dogs, y'all, every time I start a video, he always start that whining. Be quiet. Then we're gonna add the Skittles on this side, and hopefully they'll just stand up like that, because we don't want to add nothing and get it stuck to those fuzzy part of the journal. We're gonna put the socks right there. Kind of give them a little push up right there. That looks cute. Then we're gonna take the keychain and just lay it up there beside the fuzzy socks and drop that back there. Like that. And push it down so it'll kind of stand up along with the socks. And then we're gonna take the earrings and just place them on top of the so this is the first concept for the little girl. Wait just a minute, I forgot I had the lotion to add. So we're gonna add this body lotion also, you know, because it's cute and it needs to go in there. So that's the simple concept for a little teenager. Got a little journal or a pen to write with. Got some lotion for her hands. She got a little keychain, some lip gloss, and a pair of socks. So that's that basket. And for the men's basket, we're gonna do it with this stuff that I got from Ross's, and the name is this right here. I don't want to mess it up. Anyway, this is some body wash, and it's sandalwood and bergamot, and that smells good. This is the body spray. This is the lotion. I'm kind of pulling that. This is still got the little stuff on it from taking it out of the thing. This is the body scrub, the loofah, and we're going to put it in this wire basket right here. So let's go ahead and start. I think I'm going to put these two back there together like that. We're gonna put the I forgot, guys. We're gonna put the body scrub right in the middle of those two. We're gonna go ahead and put the loofah right there. And then let's put, I think we're gonna put all of those at the back. Let's scoop the little lotion up, the little thing up there by the loofah, and put all three of them back there. I should have known the lotion ain't gonna work, right? And then that's just a simple concept, just a simple basket. We're gonna add some blue shred into it. And that's gonna be the two simple basket concepts that I came up with, guys. Don't wanna hold you long, don't like making my videos long, so I'm not gonna put them in a bag on camera, but the bags are right over there. I'm gonna put them in a bag off camera and tie them up and heat wrap them and all of that. Ooh, my newspaper is showing. We gotta push that down. We don't want that. Off camera. Again, I want to thank you all. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I appreciate you. If you're new here, would you please hit that subscribe button? I would love to have you. And whichever one you are, drop down in the comment section and leave me a comment so I can come back if you have a channel and support you, because it's all about support. If somebody comes to your channel, go back to their channel and support them, because we're all trying to grow. We're all trying to make it. And if we were just coming on here without supporters, we wouldn't even have a reason to come on here. We would be talking to ourselves. So if somebody comes to your channel, go back and support them and watch their video all the way through, because if you just click on it and leave a comment, that hurts their channel more than it helps it, because of the CTR, which is called the click-through rate. Yeah, it don't do that no good. So give them a whole video, watch a short on my channel or whatever it may be. Just support them back to let them know that you appreciate them. Because I appreciate everybody that comes to my channel and watch. I will go back to your channel and support you. Because that's only right. So I'm finna get up out of here, guys. But before I do, I want to wish each and every one of y'all a blessed morning, night, noon, evening, whatever it may be when you see this video. I hope you have a blessed one. And turn on your notifications so you'll know every time that I do an upload. It'll notify you. And yeah, you can come support me. Let's get this back and forth together. And I want to show y'all again the basket concepts we put together. This little man's basket, wire basket right there. And this one is like for a little teenager right there. I think that's cute. Yeah, until my next video, you all be blessed. Bye, guys. Thanks for your support. Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. I hope we were straight. I have to go back. I hope I'm not going to have to record this video again. But anyway, bye, guys.